Alright everybody, how you doing and welcome back to my channel. I am here to unbox a Bluetooth speaker that I got off Temu for a little bit under $30. Now this Bluetooth speaker is going to replace the Blackwell model number BWA1888013. Now this here was purchased from my wife for me about 4 to 6 years ago. Yes, and I love this speaker so much now, and it's doable. I could go ahead on and with this speaker here, I could go ahead on and clip it on my belt loop when I'm walking through the park, etc. And the main reason why I don't hardly use it that much is because it's been overcharged, and I have to use a charging cable to go ahead on and just to keep the frequency pushing and the sounding going good without hearing batteries dead and it shuts off. So enough with that. I'm here to unbox the Bluetooth speaker I got off Temu for under $30. Alright, let's see what in the box. Now, it is the TG117. Now with this speaker here, I fell in love with it because it looked like the JBL Energy, but it's not. But it looks similar to the JBL Energy, but it is not. You got all your instructions from English, France, Russia, etc. If you don't know what you're doing, refer to that. Different colors are, as you see right there, this is the color I got. I got the red one. There was out of black and there was out of blue. So I choose my third color, which is red. And then you got all the other camouflage, high neon colors. So you're good to go. Presentation is pretty well spot on. So if I see it on the shelves, automatically flying off. Now the main thing is, how does she sound? So let's get into the unboxing and see what comes inside the box. And I like that. Nice little slide all plastic, slide cover, so that's good. What's inside the box? Alrighty. You get your audio cable, stereo, because it has 2 notches, not high definition with the 3 notches. So you get your stereo audio cable. You get your USB Type-C charging cable, and you get the speaker itself. And one thing I like about it, it comes with the thread. So yeah, you cannot go wrong with that. Nice, good. No, you cannot go wrong with that at all. So yes, she is nice. And if you don't know what you're doing, like I always say, and I ain't gonna stop saying this, refer to your instructions. Yes. Refer to your instructions. You cannot go wrong with that. You got them in English, and of course you got them in Mandarin. So please refer to your instructions. So that what comes in the box. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it on.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright, it's pairing. So when you turn it on, it's gonna say Bluetooth mode. As you see, the lights are blinking. So yes, she is pairing. When you see that, she is pairing. I'm turning on my Bluetooth, so y'all probably bear with me. Now, some of y'all don't like it when I take pauses. Just bear with it, and I'll get you through it. But other than that, she looks nice. I like the color. I like that it's mesh grill. So yes. This is nice. Very, very nice. And I'm going to go ahead and connect her right now. Pair a new device. Now as you see, you're going to see TG117. That's what you're going to connect to. TG117. She is not paired. and she's good to go. Now, while she is paired underneath the hood, this is where you get all of your connections there. Now, if you do not want to go Bluetooth, you can get a micro SD. Put all your music in there. Put the micro disc in. Transfer it up there. You can go ahead and go and connect it to USB. They get your Type C, and they get your audio cable. If you don't like USB, if you don't like Bluetooth, and you want to connect it up using the audio cable, you can go ahead and use that there from phone, the audio cable. You can do that. So they go all your connections right there. Micro, USB, Type C, and auxiliary. And for charging, she needs to be on DC 5 volts. So do not put her on a high-tech, high-end charger, because y'all going to explode her or overcharge the battery. Okay, so now that's done. I'll be listening to all the music on Chillhop, and let's go, which is on YouTube. So I'll be putting Chillhop information in the description if you want to use their music into your YouTube videos, vlogs, podcasts, etc. You could go ahead and do so. I have a lot of subscriptions with that. I have Afro Lofi. You can use them as well too. For Soul Productions, you got to purchase his music and get the copyright license to add to your music. But I will not be playing anything from that. I'm trying to find Chillhop. Let me go ahead and type it in, Chillhop. There we go.
Social animals that can't.
Now keep in mind, I'm using my microphone for audio purposes. So if the sound kind of bad, I don't have high-tech audio studio equipment. So I'm just using my regular microphone off my DSLR camera. So let's do this.
All by yourself.
That is not bad at all. The sound quality is great. I'm listening to her perfectly. She sounds good. I do have it cranked all the way up. You know, I hear a little vibration off into the off from the tweeters, but once I bring everything down, everything should be at good standard levels, but and good listening levels for you. So, other than that, she is loud. And if I was sitting in the kitchen right now cooking or doing etc., I can hear my wife way back in the room turn it down because she's back there watching her favorite TV shows, and this music is disruptive. So yes, the TNG 117 is good. It's good. It's good quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and play another music using Afro Lofi, and I will play some for Soul for Productions, but I had to put his subscription and everything in there because the majority of his music is copyrighted and is being sold to artists worldwide. So let me go to Afro Lofi. I'll be putting their information in the link in the description below. So
this is a ZWE mattress, the only bed that uses patented Zip Comfort technology. Like Zip Tech
off YouTube. Alrighty, not bad at all. I'm gonna go ahead on and give me about 30 minutes to go ahead and reset everything up, and let me give you my final conclusion of the TNG 117. Alright everybody, this is my conclusion of the TNG 117 model, and it's red. It come in very models, so the models are variant, so they come in different colors. If you like the colors, pick what color suits your needs. Red is one of them. Blue was sold out. Black was sold out. Those are my colors I wanted. I'm all black and everything. This here will be replacing the black rep Bluetooth speaker my wife brought for me like 4 or 5 years ago. Now, what I think of this here? Great. Can't go wrong with it. I could go ahead and carry her around if I need to loosen up the perfect hand strap. So if you want to carry it around in your hand, you can. If you want to add a keychain to it and clip it onto your belt, you can do that as well too. But other than that, this is a nice, good sounding speaker. Now, y'all keep in mind, I do not have studio equipment, so if the sound a little buffy to you, that means I'm using my regular DSLR microphone to go ahead on and give you the good quality sound from this portable speaker by TNG, model number 117, and you cannot go wrong with it. Great speaker. I love the feel of it. Nice, complex. It reminds me of the JBL Energy Charge. So nice little tube speaker by JBL, but that there I'm talking about the JBL's one that is like almost $199.99, almost $200. This one here a little under 30. Sounds good, sounds great. Now y'all probably say, Ron, would you recommend it? Of course I would recommend it, but it's up to you guys. the consumers. Would you buy it? Post your comments in the link in the description below if you will buy. We put all descriptions from Temu, because this is where I got it from. If I find an affiliate link on Amazon, I'll put that up there as well too. So you can go ahead and get it faster. If you don't mind the wait, then you can go ahead and purchase it under $30. That's what I did. I didn't mind the wait. I purchased it and I felt good when it came in. Great sounding speaker. I would recommend it. And y'all tell me what you think. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.